Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm WhatsApp is updated, and you have at least 200 MB free so stickers can cache. Next, give WhatsApp media and storage permissions, because without them the app cannot read or store sticker files. If you install third-party sticker packs, enable install from unknown sources briefly, then disable it afterward. Once done, clear the app cache to remove corrupted sticker thumbnails. This forces WhatsApp to rebuild sticker indexes and prevents old errors from repeating. Now focus on the core repair steps. Clear WhatsApp cache first to keep chats intact, because deleting app data removes accounts. Reinstall the specific sticker pack that failed, or recreate it using 512 by 512 PNGs and transparent background so rendering works across devices. Make sure the pack manifest. JSON lists at least one emoji and valid identifiers. If an emoji entry is invalid, WhatsApp skips the whole pack. Once done, restart the phone to flush background services and let WhatsApp reindex sticker assets. Finish by testing stickers in a private chat. Send, preview, and add to favorites to confirm full functionality. If problems remain, backup chats to Google Drive or iCloud, then clear app data and restore the backup to rebuild WhatsApp state cleanly. Make sure to check Android or iOS version compatibility. Older OS builds can block newer sticker features. Troubleshooting tip: if a pack still fails, capture the exact error and Android/iOS build. Then recreate the pack with one simple sticker to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.